मित्रांनो, आपण गेल्या वेळेसचे व्हिडिओ पाहिले. इयत्ता 8वीसाठी आपण गणित यामध्ये प्रकरण नंबर 6 आहे, फॅक्टरायझेशन. म्हणजे फॅक्टर पाहणे म्हणजे अवयव तयार करणे, म्हणजे ग्रुप तयार करणे, ब्रॅकेट तयार करणे. पण त्याच्यासाठी ब्रॅकेट्स म्हणजे फॉर्म्युले माहीत आहेत आपल्याला. a+b ब्रॅकेट क्यूब, a-b ब्रॅकेट क्यूब, a³ + b³, a³ - b³ हे सगळे फॉर्म्युले माहिती आहे. आणि त्याचा युजिंग आपल्याला करायचं आहे. ॲक्च्युली 6.3 मध्ये जात आहोत. आणि त्याच्यामध्ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आहे फॅक्टरायझेशन म्हणजे फॅक्टराइज. आणि त्याच्यात काही एक्झाम्पल्स पाहूया. आणि सेकंड क्वेश्चन आहे सिम्प्लिफाय म्हणजे सरळ रूप द्या, सोपे रूप द्या असं आपण मराठीत त्याला म्हणतो. चला मग पाहूया. अगदी सोपं आहे आणि सोप्या भाषेत मी सांगण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो. जरी इंग्रजी आहे तरी ते तुम्ही समजून घ्या की कशा प्रकारे लिहायचं आहे. आणि मराठीवाले पण तुम्ही पाहू शकतात. पण खरं म्हणजे हा व्हिडिओ सेमीसाठी आहे. चला पाहूया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 फॅक्टराइज. There is second example. x³ - 64y³. This example in this form: x³ - 4y³ whole cube. Using this formula for this example, a³ - b³ in first bracket and second bracket, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Here a is x and b is 4y. That's why here in first bracket x minus 4y. In this formula replace these elements x and 4y for a and b. A is here, that's why x square first term square plus ab means both terms multiply each other, x and 4y, plus second term last term square means 4y here, 4y square whole square. First bracket as it is, x square plus 4 first write 4 then xy plus sign 4 square is 16y square. This is our here answer for second example. Now fourth example. Here fourth example our this 125y³ minus 1. 125 is a 5³, you know. 1 is a 1³, you know. That's why here in this form, this example, 5y whole cube minus 1³. Here first term means 5y, second term means 1 in this formula. Here first bracket 5y first term and second 1 minus sign there. Okay, now for second bracket square bracket, first term square 5y square plus first term into second term plus second term square 1 square as it is first bracket. In second bracket 5 square is 25y square plus 5 1 is 5 means 5y plus 1. 1 square is 1. This is answer. Now for fifth one. Okay, fifth one. Fifth says I am 8p³ minus 27 upon p³. This is in form 8 means 2³ 2p whole cube minus 27 is a 3³ 3 upon p whole cube. This is in this form, our formula form. subtraction of 2 cube, 2 terms cube, subtraction of 2 terms cube. Okay, now here for a is a 2p and b is a 3 upon p. Okay, that's why here in this step, in first bracket, first 2p and second is 3 upon p minus in between. Second bracket, first term square plus multiply each other plus last term square. First bracket add is it is and 2 square is 4p square plus pp cancel out and only remaining 2 into 3 means 6 plus 3 square is 9 you know and p square. This is our here last answer. Example number 8, 16a cube minus 128 upon b cube. Here common 2 from both term and in bracket only remaining 8a cube minus 64b cube. Common thing here, 2 is common. Then formula form, you know, whole cube. Subtraction of separate cube, whole cube. Here 8 is a 2 cube, that's why 2a cube minus 4 upon b whole cube. This is in formula form. Using the formula now, which formula? Look carefully. Using the formula here, a cube minus b cube, this formula, separate cube and minus in between. Here in first bracket minus and second bracket plus plus sign. Here first term is twice a from example and second term is 4 upon b. So putting in this form, formula form, yes, 2 bracket in bracket 2a cube minus 4 upon b bracket cube whole cube is equal to 2 as it is, and first bracket is first term minus second term means 2a and 4 upon b. This is first bracket. In second bracket, you know, first term square plus both term multiply each other plus second term square in this way. Okay, next step is 2 here and this form as it is. For second bracket, solve this second bracket. 2 square is 4a square plus 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 8, a upon b here plus 4 square is 16 and b square separate. Okay, now common thing here in first bracket 2 common, that's why here 2 as it is and 2 then we write for common and remaining a minus 2 upon b into, from this second bracket 4 common thing here, common digit 4 and in bracket a square plus 2 times a upon b plus 4 upon b square because 4 is common. Now last answer is 2 to the 4 and 4 means 4 4s are 16 this and this bracket as it is and second also as it is जैसे थे. Or we can solve this example in this way. This is your example. Here 16 common number, in bracket a cube only minus 8 only upon b cube. 16 जसंच्या तसं आणि ब्रॅकेटमध्ये जो फॉर्म आहे तो घनांचा म्हणजे क्यूब, सेपरेट क्यूब म्हणजे होल क्यूब पाहिजे. ए क्यूब मायनस 2 अपॉन बी होल क्यूब. दिस इज इन फॉर्म्युला फॉर्म. नाव युजिंग फॉर्म्युला, विच फॉर्म्युला यू नो, सबट्रॅक्शन ऑफ 2 क्यूब. ओके, 16 as it is, and in first bracket you know this, second bracket this. Yes, in this way your direct answer you can write and your answer is complete here. Question number 2, simplify. First bracket cube minus second bracket cube. In first bracket sign plus and second bracket minus. Okay, using this formula here, a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus thrice a square b plus thrice ab square plus b cube. Here we can write in this way, minus sign in between, then here changes, minus here minus, but middle is plus. Okay, here in this example, here a is x and b is y. For first bracket, this formula, addition formula. So in first bracket, x cube, x plus y bracket cube means a cube means x cube plus 3 times x square y plus 3 times xy square plus y cube. This is for first bracket. Okay, now for second bracket, minus sign here. Okay, minus sign, second bracket, x for subtraction. Okay, now x cube minus 3 times x square y plus 3 times xy square minus last term for minus y cube. Okay, now open the bracket. First bracket open as it is term. Now for second bracket change the sign, x cube minus here, minus sign for second, no, plus, sign change, minus into plus, minus plus. Okay, this is plus, this is minus here, and this one is plus, sign change. Then what? Cancel out. Cancel is x cube is minus here and plus same terms is cancel out. Here also cancel out, and remaining term this and this 6x 3 plus 3 means 6x square y, answer, plus 2 times y cube. This is answer here for first example. Okay, now friends, here simplify in this practice set. Third example here, look carefully. Bracket cube minus a cube minus b cube. Expansion of a plus b bracket cube, you know, using this formula here. Now first solve the bracket. Okay, bracket says first a cube plus 3 times a square b plus 3 times ab square plus b cube up to here, and remaining terms your minus a cube minus b cube from example. Here cancel out minus, here plus, same term plus minus cancel out, here also cancel. Remaining terms only these both terms. Okay, this is your proper answer. Yes friends, now मित्रांनो इथे चौथं उदाहरण जे आहे एक्झाम्पल पी क्यूब मायनस ब्रॅकेट दिसतो आणि क्यूब आहे. या प्रथम या ब्रॅकेटला आपल्याला सॉल्व करायचं आहे आणि याच्यासाठी आपल्याला सूत्र माहीत आहे ए प्लस बी ब्रॅकेट क्यूब. त्याचा इथे आपण यूज करत आहोत. म्हणजे फर्स्ट टर्म क्यूब प्लस 3 इंटू फर्स्ट टर्म स्क्वेअर इंटू सेकंड टर्म, हे सगळं काही आपण लिहिलेलं आहे, ते सांगायला नको. मग पी क्यूब जसाच्या तसं जसा लिहितो आपण, याच्यामध्ये हे जे मायनस साईन आहे हे बाहेर काढायचं आहे आपल्याला. हा कंस सोडवायचा आहे. या कंसातले सगळे घटक जे बाहेर काढायचे आहेत, म्हणजे ते काय मायनस साईन त्यांना द्यावं लागेल. प्रत्येक घटकाला मायनस साईन द्यावं लागेल आणि आपण दिलं मायनस साईन आहे इथे. हां, तर मग इथे काय कॅन्सल होईल, प्लस मायनस जर सेम टर्म असतील तर कॅन्सल होतात. तर मग कॅन्सल होऊन फक्त एवढं उरलेलं आहे आणि हे आपण इथे उत्तरात लिहिलं. ओके, दिस इज आवर हिअर आन्सर. ओके, फॉर फिफ्थ, दिस इज द बिग एक्झाम्पल फॉर ask on 4 marks. Patience here, attention please. Fifth one, this example using formula here, subtract both terms cube, bracket cube, here also bracket cube. Okay, because here bracket cube, here bracket cube. Okay, for first bracket this formula using and second bracket this formula. Okay, now from example for firstly first bracket then second bracket. Okay friend, for first bracket, this is first bracket, your example, in your example, then expand this first term cube means 3 times xy cube, here cube, minus sign because minus middle. Okay, this sign, okay, this sign minus 3 times a square b, that's why here 3 times first term square into second term, plus 3 times first term into second term square minus second term cube. Okay friend, here same process for second bracket. For in example here second bracket, now for second bracket same terms but sign in change because here plus sign, that's why this formula using. Okay, this is all terms for plus sign. Now from first and second, here minus sign middle. This example cube minus this cube but middle minus sign. First bracket cube minus second bracket cube, that's why here using both from first and second. From first and second, here for first bracket this is our terms, all terms as it is, but for second bracket minus sign here given, minus because middle sign is minus there, that's why now cancel out plus minus terms where here also plus minus, but remaining terms here minus 3 minus 6 here minus 6 and this term. Okay, minus here minus addition both one time means 2 times 2ab bracket cube for this. Now multiply numbers, all numbers here. Minus 6 here. 3 square is 9 and 2. 9 6 is 54. 2 is 108. Minus sign must be there. And variable x square, y square, ab. This one. Minus sign. Okay, friend. 8 to the 16. A cube, b cube. This is our here proper answer. Okay, friend. Got it? Okay. Let's move another example.